Good evening, Europe! This is reaction for Luxembourg on Eurovision 2026. And this year, Luxembourg representative is Eva Marija with the song Mother Nature. Last year, Luxembourg was normal song, but I hope this year Luxembourg will be greater than last year, and I so hope Eva Marija have a great song. Good to go! Interesting start, okay.
From the start, when all was
These first words and sound of these words look like Bulgaria 2016, Poligenova. Oh, I'm so sorry! I'm confused. Kralic, Croatia 2016.
games wasn't hard,
Yeah, look like Croatia 2016.
but all good things can end. Back when I was young,
She look like Laura Thorn. She's her sister? Yeah or no? I need to know that. Please write in the comments.
seen under the moon.
She in the dress like Jerry Hale. She song look like Croatia 2016, and she look like sister of Laura Thorn. It's a huge combination or weak. Let's listen.
Who am I? From the ground to the skin. As a
Oh, it's so off key. It's so off key. No.
in the mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in.
Outdated. In 2016 it maybe was a song for top 15, but right now it's so outdated. I don't like that.
Sins in my roots, in the mud, and I lean my head. Nothing.
For me it's so flat. I haven't performance. I can't see in this song potential qualifying in the final. It probably in Q. So many back vocals. She's falsetto, it's not strong because all chorus in back vocal. After chorus, this verse very messy. How Luxembourg chose that? I know that Luzac was in the Luxembourg national final. Why Luxembourg didn't send Luzac for Eurovision? I don't know.
Even when there's thunder, oh, I don't have to wonder.
Vocal good, but so chaotic, so messy, and so flat too.
Who am I? As I'm howling at the wind.
This sound outdated. This sound for Eurovision 2010, 2016 years, but not right now. It's outdated for these times.
The mud, and I lean my head back, let it out, let it in, let it in the mud, and I
It's in Q. It's obviously non-qualification. Because she haven't anything for qualify to the final. She haven't interesting part of the song. She haven't personality. She haven't strong song. She haven't staging. How Luxembourg haven't planned to qualify? I don't know. Because it's right now it's look like obviously non-qualification. I'm so happy that Luxembourg in the second semifinal and I will be in the first semifinal and I can't vote that. Thank you, God. No. I want to go to Eurovision with big song like this and win the national selection and go to performance staging and we'll be stranger. Yeah. If that go to Eurovision, I can do that too. Why not? Because it's so weak. I can write so big song like this and go to Eurovision, yeah? If it's a winner of national selection. I can't understand how that win national selection.
Mother Nature, she knows.
I know! Yeah, I'm not she, but I know! This no qualification, I'm so sorry. Luxembourg. That's your weakest performance since a lot of years. I disappointed because it's totally English song. In the history of Luxembourg, never been that. How? Why? Luxembourg have greatest song in French. In Luxembourg language, but you send song in English? Are you seriously? It's not about you, it's not about Luxembourg history. Why? Why writers write songs in English? Why audience chose that? What the reason of this performance win? I'm so sorry, won the Luxembourg Song Contest. I can't understand that choice. The so weak, outdated, messy, flat. Let's see where Luxembourg in my top. In the third place. In the third because Alice and Aidan weakest that. Than that, yeah. I disappoint. And I don't know how it's song win of selection. I'm on the fence about this one. 3 points per 10 from me to you. I don't like that. So weak, messy, outdated, ancient, and totally English. That's first reason why I don't like that song. I think that it's... But we will see you in the next reaction, and it probably will be Ukraine! See you in the next reaction!